Hey guys, showing this solar outdoor lights. It's a waterproof up and down while sconce light with adjustable beam. So dusk to dawn solar light with outdoor lighting for patio, solar wall lights for outside fence and courtyard. So as you can see it here, comes in a nice pack, and this is the main light. This is the back side which goes with the screw. Three sides of the solar panel, so it's ample light charging that you can get from every side. So you can see like total three solar panel here, and there's a one light on the top, one line in the bottom. So this is a very nice design, and when you just on and off, so it is dusk to dawn means like if the light is low it will start, else it will stop to conserve the energy. So it's a pretty nice LED with the outdoor stuff.
So fixing this is pretty easy with this template. You have to just put this paper, put these nails, and just hook it up. So I just hook it up in a good sunshine day so that the solar power will come up, and you can see like it's charging right now, and we can see its effect in the night. So in the night you can see the light is on and it is really bright, that it is going around all this my play house stuff, and then it's bright and good light. From the distance you can see the light